Hello everyone and welcome to our music production tutorial series. In this first tutorial, we'll be going through sidechain compression. So, sidechain compression is a type of compression where the effect level on one instrument is controlled by the volume level of another instrument. Let's begin with adding a kick drum and layering it in a quarter note fashion. Great, let's add a synthesizer. Great, there's no interaction between these two sounds right now. They're both optimally playing as they are. But with the help of compression, we can start adding some movements to these sounds, and that's what we try to achieve with sidechain compression. So let's add a compressor to our synthesizer. We open it up and select sidechain. In the audio from option, we select kick. Now, as we play the audio file, listen to the changes coming through as soon as we reduce the threshold. We start hearing that movement coming in. Let's increase our ratio, which is basically our compression. The more the ratio, the more the compression being acted on it. Amazing. As you can see, that movement is created through sidechain. Our attack and release kind of maneuver our compression. The lesser the attack, the quicker the compression comes in, the more the release, the later the compression is released on the audio. Great, now let's listen to our entire track.